And just like every other southeastern state, Ebonyi State is undergoing an incredible transformation, with numerous projects shaping its future under the leadership of Governor Francis Ogbonnawifuru. Ebonyi State is witnessing major development strides, and today we are highlighting top 10 projects currently underway in the state. So stay tuned as we take you through the journey. One of the most significant projects is the revival of 5 major water schemes across the state. Not one, not two, but 5 water treatment plants have been revamped to ensure that clean water reaches every nook and cranny of Ebonyi State. These water schemes include the Ezula Water Treatment Plant, Oferekwe Water Scheme, Old Abakaliki, Ukawo, and Ishagu Water Schemes. The road infrastructure leading to these facilities has already been completed, and ongoing work includes building essential structures like pump houses, security houses, staff accommodations, and fencing around these areas. Each water scheme is designed to serve specific regions of the state. For instance, the Ezula water plant covers Ishelu, Ohauku, Eza North, and parts of Abakaliki, while Oferekwe caters to Ikwo and Eza South. Ukawo Water Scheme, on the other hand, will serve the northern local government, except Ivo. This project ensures that water accessibility becomes a reality across the state. Up next is the construction of the Vanco Junction flyover. Infrastructure development is critical to economic growth, and Ebonyi State is not lagging behind. The Vanco Junction flyover in Abakaliki will decongest traffic, enhance connectivity, and create better networks for the movement of goods and services. This kind of infrastructure positions Ebonyi State for increased investment opportunities and boosts local commerce. Another groundbreaking project is the construction of the University of ICT at Oferekwe, Agbaja in Izi local government area. The university's Senate building and other structures are rapidly springing up as we speak, making Ebonyi State a center for technological education and innovation. These projects will provide world-class learning facilities, equipping the next generation of tech-savvy graduates. And then we have the Chuba Okadigbo Cargo and International Airport in Onweke, Ebonyi State. This airport has also seen significant progress. The runway has been fully asphalted and marked, and minor clearances like the arrival of commercial airplanes are anticipated. This project positions Ebonyi State as a regional hub for air transport, boosting trade and tourism. Another top project is the revitalization of the Ebonyi State Hatchery. This is another exciting project spanning 38 hectares. The government is investing heavily in bringing back poultry, fishery, and piggery farming at commercial quantities. The hatchery is ready to receive layers and broiler chickens, with 15,000 old layers and 20,400 broilers already set for production. The hatchery will also house feed mills, making it a major player in the state's agricultural sector. Moving on to the next top project is the Waste to Wealth initiative. Ebonyi State is tackling waste management head-on with the Waste to Wealth initiative, part of Governor Nwifuru's Charter of Needs. At Umuara in Eza North local government area, a pulverization plant has been equipped with new machinery to reduce waste generation and transform waste into reusable materials. This initiative is helping make Ebonyi State a waste-free state. Improving healthcare is a top priority for the Nwifuru administration. As part of its efforts, the state has procured 2 batches of modern medical equipment for all general hospitals across the state. This initiative will make hospitals more effective and accessible, improving healthcare services for Ebonyi residents. Moving on to the next top project is the construction of internal roads in Abakaliki. The construction of 13.327 km of internal roads in Abakaliki is another very key project. These roads, built with 6 inches of rigid concrete and coated in 3 cm asphalt, span several major streets, cutting across Imofo, Anamba, Police Junction, Godiogbaga, Olisemeka, Barrister Iguanu, Norom, Alo, and others, offering smooth and reliable transportation throughout the capital. This infrastructure development significantly enhances the city's ambience and value. Ebonyi State Pipe Production Company is back in action, producing various pipe gauges after extensive equipment upgrades. Governor Nwifuru promises that the company will play a critical role in industrial development, fulfilling one of the administration's key promises of activating at least 2 functional industries within the first year. Moving on to the last but not the least major projects happening in Ebonyi State, the construction of 39 model secondary schools across the state is the final major project we are highlighting today. These schools, distributed across the 13 local government areas, are being built to provide quality education in a large student population. Among other criteria, these schools were selected according to the highest number of students who registered for the previous WAEC exercise in the respective schools, to ensure there is adequate population in the schools for maximum impact. Importantly, care was taken to ensure they cut across all state constituencies. The state government has also procured digital components like computers for the schools, ensuring they are equipped for the future. These are just some of the incredible projects shaping Ebonyi State today, and we've only scratched the surface. So far, we've explored the top projects going on in 3 southeastern states: Anambra, Imo, and today, Ebonyi State. Which project excites you the most? Do you think this project will transform Ebonyi State for the better? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to Ebonyi People TV for more updates. And if you absolutely love the content we're bringing your way every single day, consider making a voluntary donation by reaching out to the number now showing on your screens. We appreciate your support and see you in our next video.